everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a succulent out of clay. The clay that I'll be using for today's project is Crayola's Air Dry clay in white. First, we're going to be making the pot. Take some clay and mold it into a cylinder. Pinch the pot towards the bottom to make the pot more narrow at the end. I also flattened the opening of the pot. Then, roll out some more clay and cut it out for the rim of the pot. Make sure to check that the rim fits on the pot. I went in with some water and fixed all of the cracks and smoothed it out. To make the leaves, take a ball of clay and flatten it out into an oval shape. Then, make the end pointed and place it wherever you want on the pot. Repeat this step until all of your leaves are lining the edge or the rim of the pot. I could fit 5. Then, I went in with some water and slip to fix the cracks in the leaves. For the next round of leaves, you want to put each leaf in between the 2 leaves from the last rim. I did the rest off camera. You want to continue doing the same for each layer and circle. Finally, I made a little pointy leaf and put it in the middle. The paint that I'm using for this succulent is the watercolor Reeves from Artist's Loft. The colors that I'm going to be using are burnt sienna, burnt umber, and peach for the pot, and light green and sap green for the leaves. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And don't forget to check and follow us out on our socials. Bye!